Kwingineko mtazamaji, walimu 600 katika shule za mabanda wamepangiwa semina maalum ili kujihami na mbinu madhubuti za kuwashughulikia watoto katika shule za mitaa ya mabanda. Warsha hiyo imeandaliwa mtaani Kayole hapa jijini Nairobi kwa ushirikiano wa shirika la Teach Kenya na kitengo cha Wizara ya Elimu kinachosimamia shule za mabandani, yani APBET.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
We are partnering with 200 APBET schools and are going to select 3 teachers from each school. This training will focus on classroom learning, classroom management, and also digital skills to ensure that these low-income schools are also prepared should another wave come and people are not able to be in school. They're able to adopt low-tech solutions that will enable learning to continue for the children in these schools.
Today we are here at Kayole Social Hall to launch the digital platform learning for 200 schools directors in Embakasi and 20 schools on the neighboring sub-county of Embakasi, which is Njiru. The program is seeking to train 600 teachers and to bring on board on the digital platform issues that has been a way of learning in our school calendar today. We are very grateful to Teach for Kenya and the CEO, Madam Kidenda, for giving us such opportunity to bring over 200 directors of schools for inductions and for the launch of the digital platform programs.
And basically we are here to be taught by the Teach for Kenya organization on matters pertaining the Kenyan child, this child that we want to empower. We have realized that all children need that basic education and they need also to be catered for, basically. So as Teach for Kenya, they have come up with programs to identify on how they can take care of the plight of Kenyan child, that one who is less privileged, so that they can get quality education, which it is desired for the future generation.
We are having a seminar with Teach Kenya, Teach for Kenya organization. They are planning to equip our teachers with relevant skills and knowledge to support our children. We have realized that they have a very good program that is going to second our teachers to give them more professional information on how to handle children.
Nao wakazi wa Ragana, kaunti ya Migori kule wanakosa usingizi na fisi ambao wanaopigania miili ya